In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Trello into a digital planner. 5 minutes. We'll turn a regular Trello board into a clean, calendar-driven planner you can use to schedule tasks by day and time, make quick adjustments, and keep everything in sync. Start by logging into Trello on your browser or app. Make sure you're in the right workspace so you can see the board you want to plan from. Open that Trello board. Any board will work, whether it's for personal tasks, school, or a team project. Now look toward the bottom of the board for the planner option. It's typically anchored there, so it's easy to access. Click the planner icon to open the side panel. This panel reveals a familiar calendar view with days and time slots so you can drag tasks straight from Trello into your schedule. If you haven't already, connect your calendar, such as Google Calendar. Grant the permission when prompted. This connection lets events and due dates stay aligned, so when you schedule a task here, its due date in Trello updates automatically, and you'll see it on your calendar where you plan the rest of your life. Back on the board, find the card you want to schedule. Cards can represent tasks, meetings, or reminders, whatever you track in Trello. Click and drag that card into the calendar, dropping it onto the exact day and time that fits. The moment you release it, the card appears as an event in the planner, and Trello sets a due date and time for that card behind the scenes. You can always open the card to confirm the due date or add notes, checklists, and attachments. To fine-tune timing, adjust the event's length by dragging the bottom edge to extend or shorten its duration. If the date or time changes, simply drag the event to a new spot on the calendar. This reschedules the Trello due date for you so you don't have to update it in multiple places. When you finish a task, click the event and select Mark Complete. This updates the card's status in Trello while keeping it visible in your calendar history so you can see what's done without losing the record. If you need to remove something from your calendar but keep the task on your board, click the event and choose to delete it from the calendar. The card remains safely on your Trello board, ready to reschedule later. That's it. Log in, open your board, use the planner panel, connect your calendar, drag cards to schedule, adjust timing, mark complete, or remove from the calendar when needed. With this setup, Trello becomes a simple, flexible, digital planner you can rely on every day.